Hey guys, what's going on? In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to install the hacks for Fortnite. First thing you need to do is go to the link in the description and download the file. You'll see this kind of page, press the download again, and you'll need to press the download button again. Now you'll have your .zip file. Use that .zip file and extract it. With the password is 1234, as you can see. Press OK. You'll now see the folder. Open the folder and open the hack. You'll see this kind of window. It says created by Orbit. Big shout out to Orbit for giving me permission to share it with you guys. It says process not found because we need to open the Fortnite. And when we open the Fortnite, it will say process found. As you can see now, it says process found. Hack menu shortcut is F6. You can change that, but I will not change it because I like it. Press inject and wait a couple of seconds so it can inject into the Fortnite. Okay, as you can see, it says hacks injected. Use the hack menu shortcut to open the menu in-game. You can now close the windows and you can now use F6 to open the hack or whatever shortcut you chose. You can see a lot of options here: player ESP, loot ESP, aimbot, smooth, fast reload, no bloom. You can use smooth if you want to, I don't know, maybe record or stream with the hack so nobody can see that you're using aimbot. You probably need to turn off ESP though. You can see FOV, player speed, jump height. You can use all of this, change it, lower it, whatever you want to. I won't change it. I will just use it like this and apply it. And you can start the game now. I will start the arena game and I will show you how it looks like in the game. Okay guys, for some reason my microphone wasn't recorded during this match, so I'm doing the voiceover just explaining what happened in the match. As you can see, Aimbot really works. You can see ESP of the players, of the items. It really works and it's amazing, to be honest. It's really great. I would recommend it to you to have fun. You can use it in the while streaming, while recording, whatever. I really recommend it and have fun. We'll see you in the next video.